Hello, everyone, and welcome to Creative Design and Supply. Today, I want to show you something. I had a comment on a TikTok that I did for a weed hack, and I'm going to show you how to do a contour or an offset. The lady on TikTok said that every time she tries to cut it, it only cuts the one part. So go ahead and so just a little backstory on this. I was showing how to do a offset. So if you're weeding this out in adhesive or HTV, this is a little hack that I've used for a while. So I go in and I have this, okay, and it can be tricky, especially if it's smaller. I'm zooming it in so that way you can see. So now we're going to go ahead and build a contour. And you don't want to do the print and cut. You want to do the editable. And then I like to change the color. Let's go crazy here. We want to include holes. And then I like to go up to where it's almost one solid piece. That way you don't have to worry about it. And so then whenever I weed the offset off, I have these beautiful lines you can see on our TikTok. And I'm going to apply. Okay, so where she was having the issue is whenever she goes to send the design, let me unclick that. And then whenever you go to send, you either have that, your offset, or you have the font. So you go back to your design, and then you are going to go to send design. You want to make sure that you don't separate the color, okay? Usually you have selected artwork only. You want to do all our artwork. Ugh, I just cannot talk today. And don't separate. So whenever you click don't separate and you go to send, you have all of your cuts aligned. I thought I would make a quick YouTube for this. It's just a little different from all the other cutters, but I thought this would help someone. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If there's something else that you would like to see with Siser's Leonardo Design Studio, comment in the comment below and let me know. And as always, have a great day. Thanks.